Hey skincare enthusiasts! Have you ever wished for a miracle anti-aging treatment without breaking the bank? What if I told you there's a $5 spice that's been making waves in the skincare world? Dermatologists are absolutely shocked and science backs it up. Today, I'm uncovering the secret behind this budget-friendly wonder. Ready? Let's dive in. So, what's this magic spice? It's none other than ginger. Yes, the spice you probably have in your kitchen right now. Ginger isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for your skin too. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can reduce wrinkles and fine lines faster than you might believe. Now, you're probably wondering how this humble spice stacks up against Botox. Well, let's break it down. Botox works by relaxing muscles to smooth out wrinkles. But ginger goes deeper. It boosts collagen production, fights free radicals, and improves skin elasticity. In simpler terms, it tackles the root cause of wrinkles. But how do you use ginger on your skin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's an easy DIY ginger mask you can make at home. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey. Mix these ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. Voila! Your skin will feel rejuvenated and radiant. Consistency is key though. Use the mask twice a week and you'll start noticing a visible difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Remember, natural remedies take a bit of time, but the results are definitely worth it. Now, a quick heads up, ginger can stain. So avoid your best towels and clothes when using it. Also, always do a patch test before applying any new treatment to your skin. Safety first. If you're still skeptical, let's look at the science. Studies have shown that gingerol, the active ingredient in ginger, can significantly improve skin health. It helps in wound healing, reduces UV damage, and yes, it minimizes wrinkles. So why splurge on expensive treatments when you can get amazing results from a $5 spice? Give ginger a try and let me know your results in the comments below. I love hearing your skincare success stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare tips and tricks. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.